What's up, y'all? And I'm back with another video. Y'all see right here what I'm about to do. I'm finna make that good old cucumber salad, and I'm finna put my little twist to it. Stay tuned. So y'all thought I was just gonna end the video and don't tell y'all how it tastes? Y'all know me better than that. Come on, y'all. Y'all see this salad? Oh my God. Now let's try it. Smell good. Let's see how it tastes. This salad is bomb. I can eat this all day, every day. So go ahead and make y'all one of these cucumber salad. They're going viral right now. So go and make it. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way y'all know every time that I drop a video. And this is giving what it's supposed to be giving y'all. This is fire. I love it. First time ever making it. And I put a little twist to it, y'all. You gotta put a little twist to it. So go ahead and make y'all this salad while y'all playing. Stop playing. Go make it. You eat all day. Till then, I'll catch y'all back in, y'all. And I'm out. Thanks for watching.